The College and Career Center is kind of just a place for students to come with any questions that they might have for getting prepared for what they're going to do after high school, or just getting ready to leave for after high school. Everything from coming to fill out a transcript request, using Naviance to kind of figure out what they might want to do next in the early stages of planning, ACT and SAT questions, meeting with different recruiters from 4-year schools, 2-year schools, military, different community foundations or organizations. Scholarships are huge this time of year.
I had no idea walking in freshman year what I wanted to do, so Miss Allen helped me figure out what I can do and how there's MCC, and if I don't know for sure, I can just go there for 2 years and then further my education somewhere else. So just know that her door is always open.
I think that I saw the process of college applications through my brother, and I got to see how stressful that was, and I knew Miss Allen was here at Central for a resource, and I knew from other students saying how easy it was to go talk to her and get a better understanding of what you need to get done, and so I just thought that would be a good idea to visit her.
Upon finding out about the College and Career Center, anytime I had a question, I just came in and asked. It never hurts. It can be anything, financial aid, I'm looking at this college, any question. Scholarships as well. It never hurts to come in and ask, because she's very knowledgeable and she's eager to help everyone. The name is College and Career Center, so a lot of people obviously may dismiss it and think it's something for being the upperclassmen and whatnot. That's not true at all.
Yeah, she asked me what do I like to do, and I told her I like helping children out, so I decided to be a teacher. She really helps a lot, and she's a really nice person, and she really get to know the children and stuff. So it's fun.
Even in the early stages, if you just want to do exploration, that's what you can do here. You don't have to know right off the bat, and you don't have to go somewhere right off the bat. Everything that you need can be found in this location. We're still learning a lot, but we're excited to learn. So even if it's something that we're not sure about, we'll find someone that can help with information. We'll find a resource. We'll find a place that they can go and get that information. It's okay to not know, because we'll find out together.